the tip up. Kick the tip up.
Just hold the rod up. Don't hoist it like that. Just hold it and wind it.
Go down and split the hook.
Levantalo, señor.
Put the rod hold.
Oh man.
Easy now. Man, that'd be a big fish.
Yeah. Take a nut. Dale, Juan. There we go.
Damn.
Oh man.
That's a big one.
Hey.
There you go. That's what we're looking for there.
That's a fish. Yeah.
My fish will be bigger there.
It's huge, eh? Yeah, they get bigger.
Oh man. It's like holding pussy, man. Hold away from the face, man. Let's go to some spots.
Okay. Ya lo tomé.
Heavy?